Oh, have some of that toast.
Oh, you want some more toast? There. Wait. Wait. Ito.
Sorry, Maggie. That gives you diarrhea, honey. Hey,
There you go.
Hey, Paula, can you bring me my coffee?
where is it?
I think it's on the island there.
Is it got a snowman on it?
It's Christmassy, yeah.
Do you want some more? Onyx, that's bon? Yeah.
Some more.
Thank you.
Onyx. Oh, God.
Oh.
Here.
Where's Laura?
You've had enough.
He'll say, what's going on there? And I'm not getting any of that.
Oops. Do you want some water?
What?
Do you want some water? Water's good for you. Onyx, get your water.
What?
Onyx, get your dalo. Oh. That's bon?
I'm not doing anything.
That's bon? Yeah, good, huh? Bye-bye.